Hi guys, I want to tell you about my latest Amazon purchase, which is this really cool remote control car I got for my son. He loves remote control cars, and this one can do pretty cool tricks. Let's open up the box. Ooh. It's all put together, has instructions, battery, and the remote. Just wanted to show a close-up of the car that we received. It's really cool. It's blue and the wheels like turn and do tricks and lights up, so it's really cool. Got this battery pack here, instructions, and here's the remote control. Really cool set. So if you're looking for a new remote control car, check this out on Amazon.